Out here low tide doing a little clamming. Catching some clams. Just gotta come out here in low tide, man, and put in the work. You got me some clams, boy. About to make some clam chowder up in this bitch. I can already smell it, man. Seafood soup. Seafood soup. Out here in Oregon, man, doing work. Nothing like enjoying the 4th with some fresh clams that you caught in the morning, steamed. Like I said, man, if y'all van lifing and you're not doing this on the coast, I don't know where you're at or what you're doing, but you're missing out.